In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Stitchfix account in 2026, step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Stitchfix website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In option, which is usually located near the top of the page. Click on it to begin the login process. Make sure you're using the official website so your account information stays secure and you avoid any unofficial or misleading pages. After you click Sign In, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, the first thing you need to do is enter the email address connected to your Stitchfix account. Take a moment to type it carefully, especially if you have more than one email address and want to be sure you're using the correct one. Using the right email is important because it tells Stitch Fix which account you're trying to access. Next, enter your password in the password field. As you type, double check for common mistakes like accidental capital letters, extra spaces, or typing errors. If you're on a personal device, you may also have the option to use your browser's saved password, which can make the process faster. Just be careful when signing in on shared or public computers, and avoid saving your login details there. Once your email and password are entered, click the Sign In button to submit your information. At this point, Stitch Fix will verify your login details and, if everything matches, begin signing you into your account. In some cases, you may be asked to complete an additional security or verification step. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions. This is a normal part of protecting your account and may include newer authentication methods such as passkeys. If your device supports passkeys and you've already set them up, this can make sign-in both faster and more secure. After verification is complete, you'll be logged in and taken to your account. From there, you'll be able to access key areas like your style profile, your fixes, freestyle, your orders, account details, and your settings. This is where you can manage your preferences, review updates, and continue using Stitch Fix normally, and that's all it takes to log into your Stitch Fix account. If you found this helpful, follow along with the same process anytime you need to sign in securely and access your account features.